Unsa daw akong reaction about naburos daw si Adarna ni John Lloyd Cruz. Hi! Hello, people.
What's that? Hi.
Bago namin nakauli.
I want naman.
Po siya na ako ni Abrihan. Dengan salamat sa Lazada. Labi na sa tig-deliver, nagabiin na yun niya. Ito na yun sa balay. Wow, grabe Special But before anything else, watch this first.
What's this?
Okay. Watch this. Go.
What's this?
Then, cover the lens.
Ouch. Ah. Yeah.
Hello, people. Meetings. This time with my kids. World of computers. And you know what's my plan now? What?
You replace some computers.
Excited.
I wanna play some computers.
You wanna hear some good news?
What? The desktop is coming. The desktop is coming. Yeah.
It depends on that drive.
Daddy, no, that's sugar. No.
Mga tagaw CCTV. Alright, that's it. Done with our my meeting. Then I'm going to Centrio for another meeting. Okay, we're going to the mall. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's go to the another meeting, guys.
Nakita na mo nga kung may interaction, mas effective ang sales.
Done with my meeting, baby. Medyo dagang trabaho buhaton doon. Thank you very much mga nagsalig ka na ko. Thank you. Wala na. Ikaw man sige mga glaglaag. Lamin naman kayo mong life. Lamin kayo mong life. Makasuya kayo ka. Bitokbitok University.
Bye.
Siya akong kauban sa pag-crossfit sa una. But nahundan. Racing, bro. Yo! Where you guys park? Dad. Boom! Alright, thank you very much. So that's why dagan kayo yung mga projects na coming. Thank you very much sa pagsalig. So, unsa na akong gipalit? Let's see. Oh, I ordered the bag. Palubat na kung... Kay actually, nagproblema ko kay akong mga gamit ay saktong butanganan. So, ay? Nasa'y pakapin nga card reader. Basically, it's a bag. Love it! Gamay man kay nila, hiraman lagi to sa kuan. Tagamay man cute man kayon eh. Oh my God. So it's a bag. Siko ibutangan eh. Butangan na pag inong laptop, di mo kaya. Boom! There! So para ni sa mga sa camera, Ana.
Hi.
That's it.
Hi, Daddy.
Taas ito raw mga camera. Give me that. So kaniya akong camera. So ibutang siya diri. Charger. Iban pang lagot mo. Wow, naipakapin.
Charger?
Na USB. Micro SD. By the way, Bitokbitok University t-shirt. Tag 350. Unsa daw akong reaction about naburos daw si Adarna ni John Lloyd Cruz. Si problema. Why problema kung naburos si kuan pala dalaga ma ulit tao. Ang problema kung si John Lloyd Cruz ang naburos, muna ida kong problema. Sabagay si John Lloyd kuan man sad. Ulit tao man sad. Si Adarna dalaga man sad. So why problema? Diba? Wow, lugar right ang artista nga makaburos. At least dili baog. That's it people. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.